Yo, nama saya Zach Skytek. Saya DJ, content creator. Dan selamat menikmati vlog ini. Team Vortex, ayo, let's go. Yo, apa kabar teman-teman?
Uplek, baik di rumah.
Hari ini kita akan pergi ke Secret Waterfall di Bali. Temanku 1 minggu yang lalu bilang ke aku harus pergi ke sana. Sekarang aku akan pergi ke sana dengan Balo, Hanif, dan Rizky. Jadi, ayo, let's go. Jadi kita di Genya, mereka punya pasar. Sibuk?
Crazy.
Isn't it sibuk? Yeah. Rame.
That is exceptional balance, dude.
Yes, I think just me drink out here.
All people look at me.
Sorry guys. I'm so sorry.
I don't know what this was.
I just want a card.
Oh, G.
Oh,
You wanna go again?
Are you serious? No way.
You wanna go again? Hello?
You know what? I would try it again, but not in a town here. I would try it again maybe in Bali.
I'm never eating.
Look,
I'm never eating
well, I'm not gonna get a chicken burger because that.
J-App,
like
you gotta
chicken.
sort that out. J-App, it's just not on par with what I like.
Well, like chicken that doesn't look like chicken.
Is there actually a KFC?
No. That was meant to be a chicken patty, yeah?
Wait.
That was, yeah?
I'm not even sure what that was, dude. Chicken sneak. You see behind me celebrations untuk Independence Day Indonesia. Okay, kita sampai di Kanto Lampo.
I just like little story of me and Zack. Ini pertama kali ke Bali, aku selalu request ke Zack kalau keluar kemanapun, aku butuh makanan ini buat kalau ngisi waktu luang mau makan cemilan. Jadi setiap dia kemanapun dia selalu beliin aku itu, dan dia nggak pernah kasih pulang.
Why? You know why? Karena dia tidak beli aku itu. Mengapa aku harus beli untuk dia kalau dia tidak beli untuk aku? Goblok! What's between beli and membelikan?
One's chili, one's happy ending.
Say again?
One is chili, one is happy ending.
I'm not censor this.
Hey, ready? Listen. You gotta be able to do this. You ready?
That was sick.
Aku mau...
Right? No chili.
No chili? Oh
Yeah.
TERIMAKASIH.
I'm not chili.
Indonesian style, boys. Mie goreng dengan telur. Sekarang kita akan jalan ke TERJUN. Cool. Time. It's 12:02. Yeah. Happy Independence Day, Indonesia. So we're gonna celebrate by going to the waterfall. Walking down the stairs of death here, boys. Giving our legs some gym. Early morning gym happening. So I think it's gonna be really busy today, which will make it kind of hard for us to get what we want. cool. He's building the camera. See if I can find what we can shoot while they're getting ready. I think I'm like on my own little mission now. On some dirt little track. Looks like we have a location. That looks cool. So yeah, that's like where everyone is. A cool little spot. Oh yeah, I don't know where that goes. Must be a local. That's a local trail for sure. Going up there somewhere. I can walk around these rocks. See these trees falling down from there. How nice is that? How nice is that? That is sick. This is so beautiful. That's Velo. And there's Velo. And that's me, filming Velo. It's doing good, Velo. I carried it all the way. That was tough, boys, but I managed to make it. No, it's cinematic.
Yes, of course. Okay, like this. Honey photo.
Yeah, I do honey. Yeah. Absolute flipping bonehead.
Okay.
He's
Let's
playing. He
Let's
thought
do
it
it.
was me.
Oh,
Hey, the champion is here, boy. Go quickly, jump. Just jump up. Everyone's waiting for you. Everyone's waiting, go jump. Jadi kita selesai dari Kanto Lampo. Sekarang kita akan pergi ke Rizky di mana? Pura. Kita akan pergi ke Pura. So let's get it. I'm waiting. The next location. So we go for the healing temple. Velo, thoughts on the healing temple?
Be really cool, something different. Especially that we've been playing with spirits for the last month. Probably a really good idea.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
So yeah, after playing with spirits, Velo is excited to be having
Some cleansing.
some cleansing.
Also haven't gone for a shower today for a reason.
Also, Velo just got engaged today.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Kita sampai Pura Tita. Dan kita tunggu untuk Hanif. Dia lupa bateri untuk GoPro. Dan aku habis bateri. Jadi kita harus See a statue here. Quite interesting. Hey, that's a nice sarong there, my friend.
It is it's gonna turn him around a bit more so it matches my eyes.
It's my sarong. Things we can look at here. It's really nice design stuff. It's really old. We've got a lot of old things. And here are the designs for the temple. Where I live, we have a very similar one. You can see this old Balinese writing. Yeah, so jadi kita harus change the clothing. And we can enter from there. And once we do that, we can enter the holy area. Za. Ch. Ch. Yeah. TERIMAKASIH, Pak. Jadi we will go inside now to the holy area for praying, to cleanse ourselves. We're getting ready to do some cleansing of our body because we've been doing a lot of ghost hunting, chasing a lot of spirits and these sort of things. Valo wanted to get himself cleansed.
Definitely needed to be cleansed.
So yeah, we're going to get Valo cleansed and see how we go with that. See if we can help Valo with the voices in his head.
They never stop.
Alrighty. So now I'm all cleansed. We just did the whole full rose and how you feeling, mate?
I was actually cramping in my feet towards the last one, that was cool, but no, I feel really
Really
fresh.
cold and yeah, it feels super fresh. Thanks guys for watching today's vlog. It was actually a good experience coming here, being able to do, after doing a lot of ghost hunting the last few months, it's definitely draining on us. So we definitely wanted to come here. We've been told by spiritual leaders from us to come here and get cleansed and do some praying to ask for some protection. So it's been good to come here and also going to the first location, which is also really good to go to that waterfall, which is really nice. So until we see you next time, Team Vortex, ayo, let's go.
Don't sleep, boy. Don't sleep.
Wake up, fella. Jangan tidur. Kapan kamu shooting vlog tentang the podcast?
Go.
Another one.
Goddamn no.
Another one.
He hated that. He hated that. He thought putting his jumper on was gonna save him. Not today, boy.